Linklan 5th Generation eSIM Hotspot. It supports 5 grams networks and can store up to 6-10 eSIM plans, so you can quickly switch between different data plans or providers. With over 4,000 apps pre-installed, it works with eSIM plans from about 95% of eSIM stores without manual APN setup. We'll show you 2 ways to use the Linklan 5 grams hotspot with a SIM card or with an eSIM. First, let's look at SIM mode. Insert a SIM card to use its data plan automatically. Note, app connection and eSIM installation are not available in this mode. To use eSIM, remove the SIM card first. Before installing an eSIM plan, you need to log into the Linklan app and link your device. Step 1. Install the Linklan app from your app store. Step 2. Sign up and log in. Step 3. Connect to your hotspot via Bluetooth. Note, make sure both Bluetooth and your phone's location services are turned on. Step 4. In My Devices, select the connected hotspot and tap Install eSIM. Step 5. Choose an installation method to start installation. Pick the installation method based on the eSIM information you have. Select eSIM for plans you bought or redeemed in the Linklan store. Code for plans with an eSIM QR code Linklan or third party. Manual input for plans where you only have the eSIM code in text form. Method 1. Install via Select eSIM. 1. In the Linklan store, choose the eSIM plan you need and complete payment or redemption. 2. Then open the app. Tap Select eSIM. Pick your plan from the list and follow the on-screen instructions to install. Method 2. Install via code. 1. Tap code, then scan your eSIM QR code or select the saved QR image from your album. 2. After it's recognized, follow the on-screen instructions to install. Method 3. Install via manual input. 1. Tap manual input if you only have the eSIM code in text form. 2. Paste or type the full eSIM code. Then tap confirm to start installation. Tip: to avoid typing errors, please use copy and paste. Activation codes typically begin with LPA1. Enter any third-party code exactly as provided. Check upper or lower case and do not add spaces. Step 6. Confirm eSIM activation. 1. Check the device in the app to view ICC ID and plan status. 2. Or verify the ICC ID directly on the hotspot screen to confirm the active eSIM. Tip: if your device already has an installed plan, the newly installed plan will automatically become the default active plan.